Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth soup. To begin, you will need about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, such as marrow or knuckle bones, for the deepest flavor. Also, gather 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion. Don't forget a few bay leaves, a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, and a generous pinch of salt. A large stock pot and plenty of cold water are also essential for this culinary journey. Next, we'll prepare our foundational flavors. First, roast your beef bones on a baking sheet in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This crucial step caramelizes the bones, adding incredible depth. While the bones roast, sauté your chopped carrots, celery, and onion in a large stock pot with a tablespoon of olive oil until they are slightly softened. Stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste for a richer color and flavor. Now, it's time for the long, slow simmer that develops the broth's character. Transfer the roasted bones and sautéed vegetables into your large stock pot. Pour in about 12 cups of cold water, ensuring all ingredients are fully submerged. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Allow it to simmer for at least 8 to 12 hours, skimming any foam that rises to the surface during the initial hour. Finally, we'll finish and store our delicious homemade beef broth. Once the broth has simmered for the desired time, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container. Discard all the solids, as their flavor has been fully extracted. Allow the broth to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. It can be refrigerated for up to 5 days or frozen for several months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.